Hi everyone, welcome to my Mona kitchen. Today I show you how to make crabs with spaghetti pesto sauce. We'll put olive oil, black pepper, our spaghetti, crabs, and for garnish, red radish, garlic, cherry tomato, and French parsley. Butter, garlic, white onion, seafood stock, salt, cheese tools, oregano, and our Parmesan cheese. Finally, our pesto sauce. So first we are boil the crabs. We are boil around 7 minutes. We add some salt and some celery stick, onion, and garlic. So done, we will remove now. Now we will start to make. First we will put the butter, garlic, onion, now we will put our crabs. We take medium size 3 pieces crabs. We are not using big one. We put our pesto sauce. My last video you can see that I have to make the pesto sauce. We put the Parmesan cheese, seafood stock, some oregano, black pepper. Mix it very well, and don't be too much cook the pesto, so color is coming changing. So we will immediately remove. That only 1 minute to 45 seconds will cook finish. So almost done. We'll just put some Parmesan cheese, a little salt, we'll remove now. We're now plating. You take the tool, put in the plate. On the side we put the crabs. See, it will look delicious. Put in the cheese in the top, and the shell also we put in the garnish. Put for garnishing roasted some garlic, and cherry tomato, French parsley, and cheese tools. And we put some crispy tools, and we put some red radish. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you, bye bye.